Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be discussing CAT previous year questions and we'll be discussing questions from CAT 2020. In CAT 2020, there were three slots: slot 1, slot 2, and slot 3. In all the three slots, there was one question from percentages, one question from profit loss discount, and one question was from simple interest and compound interest. The difficulty level for all the three questions in all the three slots was almost same. Let's see what type of questions were asked and whether you are able to do them or not. Question is from CAT 2020, slot 1. Question is from simple interest and compound interest. Question says that Viru invested rupees 10,000 at 5% simple annual interest. Okay, so Viru invested, that means principal amount for Viru is 10,000 rupees, 10,000, and rate of interest for Viru is how much? 5% per annum. And exactly after 2 years, Joy invested rupees 8,000 at 10% simple annual interest. Okay, there is one more person, Joy. He invested money 2 years after Viru invested. His principal amount was 8,000 rupees and rate of interest for Joy was 10% per annum. And time period I'm assuming for Joy as X years. Yes. If Joy invested for X years, Viru invested for X plus 2 years. Yes, because he invested 2 years earlier than Joy. How many years after Viru's investment will their balances, that is principal plus accumulated interest? What does this line mean? Principal plus accumulated interest, that means amount. Amount is principal plus accumulated interest be equal. So amount is principal plus simple interest. Amount is same for Viru and Joy. That means principal of Viru plus simple interest earned by Viru will be equals to principal invested by Joy plus simple interest earned by Joy. Both are equal. So principal of Viru is 10,000. I'm writing 1,000 as K for the time being, and simple interest earned by Viru will be 10,000 multiplied by 5 multiplied by X plus 2 divided by 100 PRT upon 100, because simple interest is PRT upon 100. I hope you know this. There is no need to tell you from where we got this formula. Yes. So this is equal to principal invested by Joy. Principal invested by Joy is 8,000. 1,000 I'm writing as K plus 8,000 multiplied by 10 multiplied by X divided by 100. 0, 0 gets cancelled. 0 and 0 gets cancelled. What I will get? 10,000 minus 8,000, 2,000. Accordingly, I will get here 800X minus 500X plus and minus 1,000. So I'll get 300X equals to 3,000. That means X will turn out to be 10. So our answer will be 10. No, our answer will not be equal to 10. Please read the question again. How many years after Viru's investment? After Viru's investment. So Viru invested for X plus 2 years, not for X years. So Viru's investment was for X plus 2 years. That means how much X plus 2 will give? 10 plus 2 will give me 12 years. So after 12 years of Viru's investment, their balance will be equal. That means their amount will be equal. Is there any option like this? No, there is no option because this is a subjective question. this was a subjective question. No options were given for this. There was a virtual keyboard there, and we need to key in the answer. We need to key in the answer. So our answer will be 12 years. 12 years will be our answer. I hope you understood this. Thank you.